Looking for fresh and remodeled? Check out the 2020 renovation list of this waterside village cottage in Great Waters. New roof, gutters, freshly painted inside and out, remodeled kitchen with all new appliances, new wine bar with cooler, completely remodeled master bath, closet systems, remodeled powder room, 2 porches screened in, storage room updated, and new carpet. This 3-bedroom, all with ensuite cottage is ready for move-in. Expand your living space with the 3 outdoor living porches. Back porch on main is screened as well as the front upstairs porch is screened. Sit out with morning coffee and enjoy the views of lake and number 9 hole on the renowned Jack Nicklaus designed golf course. Easy walking distance to the Overlook restaurant, pool, tennis courts, driving range, pro shop, and cart bar. Waterside Village has a private pool and tennis court as well. Marina is steps away.